What is going on? This is the channel creator 2, and today we're gonna be playing Build 'em Up. So let's play. Oh my god. This is my this is my bad account, so I don't know. I don't really know. I've done much stuff on Build 'em Up. So I'm kinda new to this game. It's like my other account. I have another account that's really good at this, and I might use it in some videos, but let's use this account. So yeah. First thing to do is probably open chest. Oh, this looks good. Okay. Let's start this video with a regular bow. Oh. Oh. What happened? Spinning. I'm gonna add a little thing right there, and then probably gonna add goose. Yeah, this looks pretty good. Going and then let me on. Okay, let's join this. Just chilling. Holy, what is that? I can't see. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, turn this way. Turn. Oh, push, turn. Push, turn. Oh no! Oh no! I'm gonna die! Oh. No, I just died. Are you serious? No, I died. What the? That shouldn't have happened. Oh, I have jets. I think I have the most overpowered idea. This is... What? Oh, I ran out. Oh, are you serious? On. Well, no. And yeah, this looks good. This should be super strong. Damn it. Did the wait enough for you? Did the wait enough for you? Damn it. Let's piss all this random stuff around. That's my seat. And then we're gonna add a little just boost. I'm gonna go boing and I'm gonna sit. Can I please sit down? Oh my god. Okay. Oh. 3, 2, 1, go. There's a big guy. What's that? Oh, like a little thing. What is the thing? Okay, my idea's gonna work. Right about 3, 2, 1. Oh! Oh no! Where am I? Oh! Oh my! Oh no 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 no! Give me back! Oh my god! Oh! Oh! What the? That's that was so crazy. Well, I just had another idea. Just put a block here. I have an idea. So, call this. Yeah, this looks good. This looks. Oh, hello? Hello? What the? What the hell? Oh! Something went wrong. Oh, now it works. Okay, let's get on it, I guess. Let's launch. Oh my god, what is this? Okay, we're gonna click F. As soon as we get lit off. 3, 2, 1. And blast off! Oh, you spin me round, baby, right now, like a record. Oh my god. Oh, oh, whoa! Oh my god, what is happening? Oh my! Oh! Oh, oh no, I'm dying! I'm dying! No! No! I really didn't like that. Let's try it again. How do I move this? Arrow keys. Oh, how about this? This. Boom, bap. Not to wait for you, Creamy. I could add back. Oh my. Are you serious? Oh. Oh. It's making me. Oh, I don't want it. Oh, are you serious? Okay. Get off. Okay, we're gonna hit lift off in about as soon as we hit the grass stick. Okay. We end off the video. Let's see what's gonna happen. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, stop. I had to stop that. Okay. Still have engine fuel. 3, 2, 1. Ah. Engine fuel off. Fuel again. Whee! Okay. Oh no, come back. Oh! And I died. But that should be the end of my video. Make sure you like and subscribe to Mrcool channel. And bye.